Randomly rummaging through my yard, I came upon this, which is my old butterfly knife. Often here when the sand kicks in with the sandstorms, if you drop something, it might just get lost forever. Or appear randomly years later, I guess, like this. It was all caked with dirt. I kind of cleaned it with my wire brush. But everybody knows I used to always rock a fucking butterfly back in my young days. A little rusty, but I can still rock it. I used to know tricks, flip it around my hand and everything. I just got that simple one right now and shit, but it's been years.